Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss Summative Test Reviewer for Science 6, Quarter 3, Week 1. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils to review for their weekly test or summative test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which force pulls objects toward the center of the Earth? A. Friction. B. Gravity. C. Magnetism. D. Push. The correct answer is letter B. Number 2. When you stop pedaling a bicycle, it still moves for a while, then slows down because of blank. A. Air resistance. B. Gravity. C. Inertia. D. Friction. The correct answer is letter D. Number 3. Which situation shows friction being helpful? A. Skidding on a wet floor. B. Walking without sleeping. C. A ball rolling forever. D. Ice melting. The correct answer is letter B. Number 4. Which surface produces greater friction? A. Smooth tile. B. Wet floor. C. Rough sandpaper. D. Polished wood. The correct answer is letter C. Number 5. What type of friction occurs between the wheels of a car and the road? A. Rolling. B. Sliding. C. Static. D. Fluid. The correct answer is letter A. Number 6. Gravity keeps the planets blank. A. Floating away. B. In orbit around the sun. C. Not moving. D. Pushing each other. The correct answer is letter B. Number 7. What will happen if there is no friction on Earth? A. Cars will move faster and safer. B. We cannot walk properly. C. Objects will stop easily. D. Machines will work smoothly forever. The correct answer is letter B. Number 8. Which activity reduces friction? A. Applying oil on hinges. B. Using sand on roads. C. Pressing harder on a surface. D. Adding weight. The correct answer is letter A. Number 9. Which example shows gravity's effect on motion? A. Throwing a ball upward. B. Pushing a cart. C. Pulling a rope. D. Sliding a book. The correct answer is letter A. Number 10. Which statement is true about friction? A. It only slows objects down. B. It always causes harm. C. It can both help and oppose motion. D. It is a magnetic force. The correct answer is letter C. Directions. Write if the statement is true or false. Number 11. Friction always makes objects move faster. This statement is false. Number 12. The rougher the surface, the more friction it produces. This statement is true. Number 13. Gravity pushes objects away from Earth. This statement is false. Number 14. Lubricants are used to reduce friction in machines. This statement is true. Number 15. Friction produces heat. This statement is true. Number 16. A rolling ball stops because of friction. This statement is true. Number 17. We need friction to walk and hold things properly. This statement is true. Number 18. Gravity is present only on Earth. This statement is false. Number 19. Friction is useful in car brakes to slow down motion. This statement is true. Number 20. Both friction and gravity affect the movement of objects. This statement is true. Directions. Identify the correct term for each statement. Number 21. Force that opposes motion when two surfaces touch. The correct answer is friction. Number 22. Force that pulls objects toward Earth. The correct answer is gravity. Number 23. Friction that occurs between two solid surfaces sliding past each other. The correct answer is sliding friction. Number 24. Friction produced by air or water. The correct answer is fluid friction. Number 25. Friction that keeps an object at rest. The correct answer is static friction. Number 26. The force that keeps the planets in their orbits. The correct answer is gravity. Number 27. Substance used to reduce friction. The correct answer is lubricant or oil. Number 28. When you rub your hands together, you feel blank because of friction. The correct answer is heat. Number 29. The direction of friction is always blank to the direction of motion. The correct answer is opposite. Number 30. A road sign, slippery when wet, warns us that there is blank friction. The correct answer is less. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.